In this video, we're going to work out the area of a trapezium. The first step says split the trapezium into two triangles along a diagonal. So let's put a diagonal in. And there we are, we've got two triangles. We've got this one here, A1 we'll call that area, and A2 here. Now, if we work out the area of these two triangles and add them together, we get the area of the trapezium. So let's look at triangle 1. Well, the area of a triangle is a half times base times height. Substitute our numbers in. Half times the base of this triangle here is 6, times the height, 8. Put that into my calculator, work it out, and I'm going to get 24 meters squared. Let's look at area 2, the bottom triangle. So that's still a half times base times height. Put in the numbers for the bottom one. Well, that's 10 meters is the base, times the height. Well, that's the same as the other one, times 8. Put that into my calculator and I'm going to get 40 meters squared. So the total area is, I just need to add those two up. So 24 plus 40 is equal to 64 meters squared.